Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Lilies and Tomatoes. I am doing another beauty collab with my YouTube friends. And welcome to the All About the Faces beauty collab for the month of March. I'm really excited to be doing this again. This was really fun last month, and we're going to be doing this a bunch of times this year. So this month, I actually got a gift from Kristen at Beauty Beatdown, and I sent a gift to Ronnie at Living Obsessed. So definitely check out their channels, and the links are in the description below. And I will get into this real quick, and I will give you guys the rules as I open this box. So the rules to win the giveaways that go along with our collaborations are: 1, you have to be 18 or older. 2, you have to be publicly subscribed to all of our channels. For me personally, you need to have a US mailing address, and you need to use the word Lily in your comment below if you would like to be considered to win. And also, make sure that you respond if I reach out to you. I'm not going to chase people down. So, let's get into the box. This is super cute. Ooh, there's lots of goodies in here. So I got a card. I love getting cards. What would you like for your birthday? Okay, I'm not gonna read it, but it made me laugh. My birthday was last month. Let's see. Ooh, stickers. I got stickers for my giveaway too, and as you can see, I just put a bunch up on my wall behind me, so I definitely have a use for these stickers. Burt's Bees. Ooh, so Burt's Bees is like one of the only commercial skincare brands that I buy because I have extremely high maintenance and difficult skin. So a sheet mask and a refresh. Oh, okay. Sheet mask. I've never actually done a sheet mask before, so this is going to be fun. Ooh, pen set. They're purple. These will be nice in my purse. Purple pens. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Sheet masks and the cool stickers. You can never go wrong with unicorns. Another one, biocellulose gel mask. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. This is... Okay. Super cute dog toys. Oh, I think this is going to be a cat toy because my dog is super old and he doesn't really play with toys anymore. But this would have been something that he would have loved. This is cute. He's not wild about the squeakers, but he likes to, he used to like to kill small animals. That was his favorite thing. And the cat enjoys it too. They share a lot of toys. Oh, I think I'm going to have to give these to my cat right away. She's definitely going to love this. Like, the sound that it makes, plastic, she loves that. Shira. Oh, I think we have a winner. Oh, we have a winner. You crazy cat. More stickers. Hearts. Ooh, a journal, and it's purple. This is really nice. I love this. Magical vibes. I'm feeling more magical already. Wow. Bean Boozled jelly beans. Contains weird and wild flavors. Okay. I should have put my glasses on. I can't really read these because my selfie light is not light enough. But these are cool. Jelly beans. I love me some candy. Entirely too much. This is for mature dry skin. I definitely have mature dry skin. Pomegranate facial serum. Okay, nice. Nice. I'm not getting the angle here. But this is really nice. I bet this smells amazing. Ooh, the cottage greenhouse. It only has a very light scent. That's good, because if it smelled like super, super heavy, then that would probably not be cool. What is this? Glimmer Veil. Liquid lipstick. Ooh. Oh, this purple? I think we're going to have to open this right now. Okay. Just kidding. I can't get this open. Let me try to not cut myself to get this open. Okay. Everlasting Glimmer Veil. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is a wild color. Oh, wow. It matches my butterflies. This is awesome. I think this looks good on me, even though it looks a little bit crazy. Cascade polish, purple nail polish, and it's metallic. Super cool. I'm gonna have to do that up. A scrunchie, because you can never have too many. I actually have like 15 of them in my hair right now because I have a lot of hair. Like just getting it up requires a lot of effort. What is this? Cuticle oil. Oh, nice. Cuticle oil. This smells good too. Super excited about this. Australian certified toxic free thorough Okay, what is grown alchemist night cream? Okay, night cream. You guys, I don't do a whole lot of skin stuff, like not a lot different brands or anything, so I don't know. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. Like I don't know. Like when I had to go. Oh, I don't want to puncture that right now. But when I had to go shopping, I was like, I don't know what any of this stuff is because I technically sell skincare. So I don't normally go out looking for other brands. What is this? Is this a candle? Oh, nice. Sugar crystals. It's a soy candle. This is awesome. Oh, you guys. This smells so good. Oh, what is the scent on here? Sugar crystals is the scent. And I'm crazy. This smells really good. Oh. Okay. This is gonna go on my desk. I love candles. I don't burn them as often anymore because my cat gets into it. But I cannot tell you guys how good this smells. Oh, I'm really excited about everything in the box. Thank you so much, Kristen. This was amazing. I love everything in here, and I cannot wait for our next collab. I hope I get to shop for you next time. I just want to recap the rules for the giveaway. So if you want to be eligible for the giveaway, you have to subscribe to everyone on our collab list. You have to be 18 years old or older. If you want to win my giveaway, you have to have a US Postal address. You have to use the word Lily. And the giveaway for my channel is going to be a subscription to a seed packet mystery seed pack giveaway. The giveaway is this seeds come from Firefly Farm and Mercantile. So you're gonna have to. I'll contact you through a message, and then I'll get your information, and then I'll set it all up. I am a gardener by trade, so that's what I do mostly. But I like to step out of that a little bit and do some fun collabs with my friends. I think that's it. Did I tell you guys what I need to tell you? I'm a little bit scatterbrained right now. But this lipstick looks fabulous. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.